We are very happy to have been selected as a finalist for the JEC Startup Booster competition. We provide non-destructive measurements of the microstructure in composites and polymer materials. We can deliver detailed 3D heat maps for on the R&D stages, looking at crystallinity, orientation of the polymer chains, and residual strain. From talking with industry, we've learned that this can be a great help in adapting to thermoplastic composite material. We are also able to provide quality assurance measurements inline. So let's say, for example, there's a part in thermoplastic composites that has a challenge with crystallinity in a particular part of the geometry. Our technology can be used to do measurements on each part leaving production line to actually validate that it is the correct crystallinity. We also do have some capabilities for niche cases of validating the degree of cure. And we hope you come by our booth at the Startup Booster